Designed to be similar to OE specifications, down to the connectors, for plug-and-play ease of installation. Complete assembly, includes OE comparable housing, glass mirror, bracket and technology. OE comparable mounting provisions ensure drop-in precise fitment. Rigorous and accelerated cycling tests to ensure product service quality and durability. All TYC mirrors have been designed and tested to meet FMVSS 111, the federal requirement for door mirrors. To provide optimal fit and performance for your specific vehicle, each TYC replacement mirror is identical in design and construction to the OE part it replaces. TYC replacement mirrors meet all Federal SAE regulations and are FMVSS 111 compliant. TYC mirrors are extensively tested against common issues affecting replacement mirrors, such as excessive glass vibration on rough roads, to ensue years of hassle-free service. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. It fits great and looks just like the OEM mirror. The outside diameter of the rubber grommet that protects the wire harness is a bit too small and didn't engage the sheet metal hole it passes through on the door. Overall, it was a great deal.